Hi everyone, this is Alan with the R6. In this episode, we're gonna talk about installing EXO-COM intercom to the EXO-520 Scorpion helmet. You've probably seen in my previous video, I've purchased myself a Fabio Quartararo replica Scorpion EXO-520air helmet, and also purchased an EXO-COM specifically for those helmets. They fit on this location here. So today we're gonna install this bad boy and yeah, see how he sounds and how he operates. They have a really nice box. You can tell by the box if it's a good quality or not, so it looks like one. To me it looks like Apple boxes. So here it is, that's the system inside there. Right, so that's your controller. So those are the speakers, and you got like a USB-C port. What I can't see is a microphone. Let me check in the box here. So we have English instructions, a little box. I'll have a look in that in a minute, see what's inside. There is a variety of languages here, including English, which we're gonna need to read that in a minute. Let's have a look, see what's in this box. I presume it's the battery. Yeah, it is a battery. So EXO-COM battery. I'm gonna leave that there. USB to USB-C cable, so I presume this is the charger for the battery. Bit of Velcro, adapters to install it to any other make helmets, I suppose. Those intercoms, they're not the cheapest, but they're very highly rated, so I'm gonna find out and see if this is true. So at the back here is where the battery goes. To remove this little cover, you need to push that button up, and then hopefully, yeah, this literally comes out. There you go. So Scorpion EXO. Make sure you feed the bigger one first, and then you can feed the small one. There we go. So the COM is in. That's actually quite nice, you know. Okay, so now what we need to do is connect the battery. Is rather they don't have a microphone, or they are integrated. We'll figure it out. So they have very little channels where the speaker go. So I'm not sure if you guys can see where the wire is actually routed through there. There you go. So the speaker is now in, one of them. So now we've done the installation on the helmet, but we need now to read the instructions to see the basic information, how we turn it on. Power on, hold power button for 2 seconds. Right. Power on. To power off, hold power button for 5 seconds. Volume up is volume up, volume down, volume down. You can pair this with an app as well. If you got Android or an Apple phone, you can go to your Google Store or App Store and download Scorpion app, and this one will allow you to register your intercom and also connect. But first of all, you need to update it. Right, to pair your device with your phone, you need to push the button once, EXO-COM, and here it is. I'm connected. We need to put it all back together, obviously, but first of all, before I put it all back together, I wanna try to see if it actually works. Okay, so we have the speakers in. I'm gonna put the helmet on. I need to put the chin curtain back on. Can I call you with the phone? Because I can't hear you. With a phone instead of WhatsApp. Hello. What you do? I'm trying this motherfucker. I know. Yeah, I mean, I can hear you. I can hear you clear as anything. Yeah. What if I do now? Can you hear me better now? Yeah. Also, I haven't put the chin guard either. Well, I just put the helmet on to try to see if I can hear. Okay. I'm sure I'm gonna see you on YouTube. Cool, man. Have a good evening. Yeah, no worries. Bye. Bye. So that was it. We fitted the EXO-COM to the Scorpion EXO-520air. Is a Fabio Quattraro replica. So now we are ready to pair with other people, listen to the music, make phone calls on a go. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please give me some thumbs up. I'm Alan with the R6. Don't forget to subscribe. Cheerio.